This might be the most interesting 3D printer Sovol has ever made, but is it actually worth your money? The new Sovol M1D is built to make multicolor 3D printing easier than ever. It supports up to 8 colors, so instead of constantly swapping filament by hand, you can create colorful prints automatically. It features high-speed printing, a fully enclosed design for better temperature control, and an AI camera that monitors your prints in real time, helping detect failures before they waste hours of printing. Sovol also includes automatic bed leveling, making setup much easier for beginners, while experienced users can still take advantage of its fast performance and multi-material capabilities. On paper, the M1D packs premium features into a more affordable package. But remember, it's still a new product, so long-term reliability will depend on real-world testing once more users get their hands on it. So, is the Sovol M1D worth watching? If you're looking for an enclosed, high-speed, multicolor 3D printer without spending flagship-level money, it definitely deserves your attention. Would you buy the Sovol M1D, or would you stick with another brand? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, because we'll be covering more honest 3D printer reviews without the hype.